Today, I'm going to show you how to view Instagram Reels in full screen for a better and more immersive experience. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed, as this feature may not be available in older versions. Keeping your app updated ensures you have access to the newest features and improvements. Now, open Instagram and find a reel you want to watch. Once the reel starts playing, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the three dots to open additional options. A menu will appear with several choices. Click on View in Full Screen. At this point, the reel expands to take up the entire screen. I can't screen record more than 3 to 4 seconds because of Instagram's privacy restrictions on private content. However, you can follow these steps on your own device to see how it works in real time. This is especially useful for high-quality videos, visually detailed reels, or simply when you want a better viewing experience without any UI elements in the way. Try this out on your Instagram and see how it improves your reel watching experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.